Hi, hello students. Welcome to our 11th physics class. This video continue with first lesson Nature of Physical World and Measurement. This is part 13. Today we have going to learn about 1.7 significant figures. Now definition and rules of significant figure. Suppose we ask 3 students to measure the length of a streak using meter scale. Already we know that the least count for meter scale is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. So the result of measurement can be any of the following: 7.20 centimeter or 7.22 centimeter or 7.23 centimeter. Note that all the 3 students measure first 2 digits correctly with confidence, but last digit varies from person to person. So the number of meaningful digit is 3, which communicate both measurement and quantitative and also the precision of the instrument used. Therefore, significant figures or significant digit is 3. Therefore, it is correct definition is it is defined as the number of meaningful digit which contain numbers that are known, reliable and first uncertain number. For example, the significant figure for the digit 121.23 is 5. Second example, significant figure for the digit 1.2 is 2. Third example, significant digit for 1230 is 3. Fourth example, significant figure for the digit 0.123 is 3. And fifth one, significant digit for 0.1230 is 4. And sixth one, significant digit for 0.0123 is 3. And seventh one, significant digit for 1230 with decimal is 4. Eighth one, significant digit for 2000000 is 1, because 270 is equal to 2 into 10 to power of plus 7, has only one significant digit, that is 2. And another example, ninth one, in physical measurement, if the length of an object is L equal to 1230 meter, then significant digit for L is 4. Now, table 1.9 rules for counting significant figures. First rule, all non-zero digits are significant. For example, 1342 has 4 significant figures. Another example, 222 has 3 significant figures. Second rule is all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, 2008 has 4 significant figures, and another one example is 108 has 3 significant figures. Third rule, all zeros to the right of a non-zero digit but to the left of a decimal point are significant. For example, 30700 dot has 5 significant figures, and 10 dot is 2 significant figures. Fourth rule, part A, for the number without a decimal point, the terminal or trailing zero are not significant. For example, 30700 has 3 significant figures. Second example, 5000 has 1 significant figure. Fourth one, B part is all zeros are significant if they come from a measurement. For example, 30700 meter has 5 significant figures, and another example is 50 kg has 2 significant figures. Fifth rule is, if the number is less than 1, the 0 and the right of the decimal point but to left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. For example, 0.00345 has 3 significant figures, and another one example is 0.045 is 2 significant figures. Sixth rule is all zeros to the right of a decimal point and to the right of non-zero digit are significant. For example, 40.00 has 4 significant figures, and another one example is 0.030400 has 5 significant figures. And last rule is seventh one, the number of significant figures does not depend on the system of unit used. For example, 1.53 centimeter, 0.0153 meter, 0.0000153 kilometer all have 3 significant figures. Note 1. Multiplications or division factors which are neither rounded numbers nor number representing measure value are exact, and they have infinite number of significant figures as per the situation. For example, circumference of circle is s equal to 2 pi r. Here the factor 2 is exact number. It can be written as 2.0 or 2.00 or 2.00 as required. Note 2. The power of 10 is irrelevant to the determination of significant figures. For example, x equal to 5.70 meter, it is equal to 5.70 into 10 to power of plus 2 centimeter, or it's equal to 5.70 into 10 to power of 3 millimeter, or it's equal to 5.70 into 10 to power of minus 3 kilometer. In each case, the number of significant figure is 3. All rules very important. 3 marks, 2 marks, and sometime ask in 1 mark questions also. In 3 mark questions, you give any 6 point with the example, and 2 mark means you give any 4 points with the example, and sometime mention any 3 points or any 2 points means you give 2 or 3 points, and it's very important 1 mark questions. Okay students, now learn about rounding off. Calculators are widely used nowadays to do calculation. The result given by a calculator has too many figures. In no case should the result have more significant figures than the figures involved in the data used for calculation. The result of calculation with numbers containing more than one uncertain digit should be rounded off. For example, 1.11, rounding of the following numbers as indicated. First one 18.35 up to 3 digits, that is answer is 18.4. Second one 19.45 up to 3 digits, that is answer is 19.4. Third one 101.55 into 10 to power of plus 6 up to 4 digit, the answer is 101.6 into 10 to power of plus 6. Fourth one 248337 up to 3 digits, the answer is 248000. And last one, fifth one is 12.653 up to 3 digit, the answer is 12.7. The rules for rounding of table 1.10 rules with example. First one, if the digit 2 dropped is smaller than 5, then the processing digit should be left unchanged. For example, first one 7.32 is rounding off to 7.3. Second example 8.94 is rounded off to 8.9. Second rule, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. For example, first one 17.26 is rounded off to 17.3. And second example 11.89 is rounding off to 11.9. Third rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by digit other than 0, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. For example, 7.352 and being rounding off to first decimal becomes 7.4. And second example 18.159 and being rounding off to first decimal becomes 18.2. Fourth rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even. For example, first one 3.45 is rounding off to 3.4 and another one example is 8.250 is rounding off to 8.2. And the last rule is fifth one, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. For example, first one 3.35 is rounded off to 3.4 and another one example is 8.350 is rounded off to 8.4. This 5 rules also very important. It's asking 3 marks question, 2 mark questions or sometime asking 1 mark. Third subtopic, arithmetic operation with significant figures. It's 2 points. First one, additional and subtraction. In additional and subtraction, the final result should retain as many decimal places as there are in the number with the smallest number of decimal places. For example, 3.1 plus 1.780 plus 2.048 is equal to 6.926. Here the least number of significant digit after the decimal is 1. Hence the result will be 6.9. Second point, multiplications and division. In multiplications or division, the final result should retain as many significant figures as they are in the original number with smallest number of significant figures. For example, 36.72 plus 1.2, it's equal to 30.6. Here the least number of significant digit in the measuring value is 2. So the rounded off 31. Hence the result when rounded off to significant digit becomes 31. When you are free time, this all topic read 4 times and write well 1 times. Thank you students.